Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Yet's in the building. The one, the only, fierce, foxy, fabulous, live and direct from her sitting room. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I just thought, let me do a really quick look for you guys for Valentine's Day. It's just, you know, very quick. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking because I've had to try and film this really quickly. So I apologize if there's not a lot of chatting in the video. I just wanted to try and do it so quickly so that, you know, you can at least get something from me. So I apologize about that, but I do have more things coming. Thank you so much for my new subscribers for joining this pink posse. So anyway, I'm about to go out now for an event. I just thought, let me do this quick look for you guys. Hope you like it. And I'm going to turn left, turn right, and there we go. Take care, guys. Peace, love, and hair grace. Bye. So this is my look, guys. Hope you liked it. I will keep everything in the description bar for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care and happy Valentine's Day.